My name is Melanie DeShields, and I am a stay-at-home mom. I go to school for criminal justice. I was very excited. I was at the gym, and Miss Tanya texted me. She is the owner of Body Nature's Co., and she texted me because I didn't respond to the Facebook tag, and she told me that I want a giveaway, and I thought she was joking. So then she called me, and I started to cry. Meeting other women that empower other females, and who are business owners, who their foundation is God, and as well as getting out of my comfort zone.
Hi, my name is Shirlette Ford, and I am a safety and training supervisor with Prince George's County, the bus, a single mom, and I love doing what I'm doing. I was really excited and emotional, blessed, apprehensive. I feel wonderful. This has been absolutely outstanding. This is a fantastic transformation. Meeting the ladies, the business owners, the spirit in the room, the energy. I just want to say thank you to all the business owners. Thank you, ladies, for doing what you do. We appreciate it. It needs to be more things like this, and it's more to come. And this needs to get out there. It needs to go viral, because we need this as ladies and women in the community.
I'm Kaisha Carter. I'm the general manager for the Dunkin' Donuts in the county. I'm married to Cordell Carter. We've been married for 14 years. We don't have any children of our own, but we helped raise our nephew, and we have a dog at home. I was excited. I wasn't going to enter, and it was like 2 days before it closed, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and enter, and I did. And I was shocked when I got the messages saying that I was chosen to be a winner this year. I feel absolutely amazing. All of this is things that I would have never chose to do for myself. And it's truly been a blessing to be blessed by such a humble group of women, from the hairstylist to the clothes, to Jessica for putting it together, Ciandra for the pictures, Angela for the makeup.
Hi everyone, my name is Christina Alexis, and I am a dancer, a choreographer, a aspiring makeup artist, a vlogger, and I just came out here today to kind of give my support to this event and assist one of my closest friends, Angela Braden, and kind of give some creative direction and help the ladies kind of pose, since I kind of dabble in modeling as well. So I just wanted to come out and say that I'm happy to be here, and I'm thankful for this opportunity.
Hi everybody, my name is Angela Braden of Beautified by Angie. This is my first year participating in the end of year giveaway with Jessica, which is a phenomenal opportunity to give back and uplift women. This has been a game changer for me. Being able to be around my peers who are also business owners, seeing the effort and the love that was put into this project, and seeing everybody in this community coming together to support and love on these women who are all beautiful inside. We just manifested that beauty that's inside with the beauty that's outside and made it pop. But I thank you, Jess, for allowing me to be a part of this. All of the vendors that were here today and those that couldn't be here, we thank you guys for everything. This has been a phenomenal experience, and I cannot wait to do this again next year. God bless.
Hi, I'm Latrice Carr, and I'm here for the annual giveaway that Jessica from Glory by Nature does. This is my first year participating. I own a hair company, so I donated a unit for one of the lovely ladies. I just saw that Jessica was doing this, and I wanted to be a part. I like to definitely give back to the community and help out where I can help out, and so that's why I'm here. It's my first year. Hopefully it won't be the last, and we'll be back next year.
And I am Jessica Dorsey. I am the owner of Glory by Nature. I have created this end of the year giveaway about 4 years ago, just to bring some like-minded business owners together in the name of blessing others. Being a small business owner, you're not always able to bless others with discounts and all that other stuff as big corporations. So we do this once a year so that we can all come together and give our products and service to our recipients. I just want to thank everybody for participating this year. It was amazing as always. Be looking out for the next year, which will come up at the end of this year, at the end of the quarter. But I want to give a shout out to Shanika for providing a unit, JMJ Hair, Beautified by Angie, Ciandra, Soul Scott Photography, Patricia, which is the owner of Heavenly Fashions for All. I want to thank Kimberly Bannister for sponsoring the Rom You Rock, Sharita Thomas for actually styling one of the recipients, Tanya Dawkins for actually giving some products, Beauty Nature's Body Co, and Cherie Jenkins for the hotel, the location. She also helped. I'd also like to thank Rashida for donating gift baskets to the girls as well. And the videographer, Aaliyah, thank you for coming through this year. We just hope that every year gets bigger and bigger. Every year we double on business owners that are able to give their gifts and their products. So if you are in the area of St. Mary's County and you would like to participate, you can be in Calvert as well. Come give us a holler, come work with us, network with us, have fun with us, and we hope to see you all next year.